So you've scored a hot rental property under contract. Congrats. But before you celebrate, there's work to be done. Today we're diving into the world of sweat equity, transforming a fixer-upper into a cash-flowing machine. Sweat equity, it's about rolling up your sleeves and tackling some renovation projects yourself. While hiring contractors can be tempting, sweat equity offers several advantages. Save big bucks. Contractor fees can eat into your profits. DIY allows you to save money on labor costs. Boost your ROI. Smart renovations can increase your rental income and property value, maximizing your return on investment, ROI. Build knowledge and skills. Learning to fix things yourself empowers you and saves money on future maintenance needs. Create a sense of accomplishment. There's immense satisfaction in transforming a property with your own two hands. Sweat equity isn't for everyone. Be honest with yourself. Do you have the time and skills? Some tasks require specialized knowledge. Don't be afraid to learn or outsource complex jobs. Are you physically capable? Safety first. Know your limits and avoid taking on risky projects. Do you have the tools and resources? The right tools can make a big difference. Factor in potential equipment costs. Here's a roadmap to guide you on your sweat equity journey. Assess the property. Identify repairs, upgrades, and cosmetic improvements needed. Prioritize based on urgency and impact. Set a budget. Plan your spending for materials, tools, and any permits required. Learn and research. YouTube tutorials, online forums, and DIY books are your friends. Start small and build up. Don't overwhelm yourself. Begin with smaller projects and gradually tackle more complex tasks. Work smart, not just hard. Utilize time-saving techniques and prioritize tasks that deliver the most value. Electrical work, plumbing, and structural issues are best left to professionals. Safety should never be compromised. Many investors have leveraged sweat equity to achieve amazing results. Share your own stories and experiences in the comments below to inspire others. Sweat equity can be a powerful tool to maximize your rental property profits and gain valuable skills. By being realistic about your abilities, planning strategically, and prioritizing safety, you can transform yourself into a DIY rockstar and unlock the full potential of your investment property. So, are you ready to unleash your inner DIY master and become a sweat equity champion? Leave a comment below and share your project ideas or questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more real estate tips and tricks to help you build your rental property empire. Remember, with sweat equity and a strategic approach, you can turn that fixer-upper into a cash-flowing dream.